Jadi hari ini kita udah sampai kota tua. Ah, enggak gitu. Kota apa kota tua?
Iya itu. Posko.
Enggak, ngomongnya kota apa kota tua biar kompak. Oke. 1, 2, 3. Kota tua. Dari lah. Ya, 1, 2, 3. Hai guys. Jadi,
kita lagi mana?
Kita lagi ada di kota tua.
Ya, ini guys.
Hi, so we're actually now currently on
Ini bule
BI.
kita, guys.
We're going to BI. We're going to BI and then after BI we're gonna go to Kotu and our plan is to talk to some of the bule like American people or European people that we're gonna find in Kotu probably.
And Museum Bay.
Yes.
Oke.
But yeah.
Stay tuned guys. Stay tuned.
It's the Museum Bank Indonesia.
Hai guys, jadi hari ini kita ingin mereview apa yang ada di box ini. Waduh, HP aku di situ, Cok.
Apa ya?
Apa ya? Mystery box. Dapat
Pizza. Pokoknya gitu.
Yeay.
Gimana sekarang? This is my first time talking to like outsiders from this country, so I'm sorry if I got so many gibberish. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. There we have like it's like a little conversation, you know. Yeah. So okay. So ask about your names. What? Okay. And where do you came from?
I live in Germany. I grew up in India.
Oh, and what are you doing in Japan? Like what country?
Just traveling.
What do you think about Japan? Like, for example, the museums, the culinary, and the photography or music attraction?
I haven't been to museums. I like the place. It's beautiful.
Oh, thank you! Oh my
It's
god!
very green.
Oh my god, this is so sweet. And would you like to visit Japan again?
I would like to come back a bit longer. I'm
Oh
only here for a
yeah.
week.
Oh, okay. Thank you. And who take a photo? Like,